Yvette's kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious and tasty seasoned breadfruit chip. Okay, already cooked and peeled my breadfruit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it in a little seasoning which consists of some flour, okay, black pepper, some seasoning salt, Maggi seasoning, and a little salt itself, just a little, that much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna just coat the breadfruit. Okay. I'm gonna shake extra flour, and we already have a pan that's heated, so I'm just gonna put breadfruit and allow it to brown on both sides. Okay, so this is our delicious seasoned breadfruit chip. Okay. So as I said, we're just gonna allow it to brown on both sides. Alright. Okay, so here I already made some, so I'm going to just have a taste. You can either use it with your ketchup or like with a cheese sauce, okay? So I'm just gonna have a taste. Wow, this is delicious. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.